Hello everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. For those of you who are new here, I'm Geisha Live, Japanese and living in Germany. This is part 2 of my Taketomi Island vlog, and today we are exploring Kaiji Beach, also known as Star Sand Beach, famous for its tiny star-shaped sand grains. If you haven't seen the first vlog from Taketomi Island, Snorkeling Edition, be sure to check it out. I'll also take a stroll through the charming town of Taketomi, where you will see water buffalo carts gently rolling through the streets, and sunny cats lounging around like they own the place. It's peaceful, picturesque, and full of island charm, so don't miss it. After soaking in the beauty of Taketomi, I hopped on a ferry back to Ishigaki Island, where the adventure continues. After returning to Ishigaki Island, it's time to dive into the heart of Okinawan cuisine, starting with the island's beloved soul food, Soki Soba. This comforting noodle dish is a must-try for anyone wanting a true taste of Okinawa. So, this beautiful spot is called Nishi Pier, one of Taketomi Island's hidden gems. Stretching out into the crystal clear waters of Yaeyama Islands, it's not just a pier, it's a window into Okinawa's serene island life. Star Sand Beach, Kaiji Beach. Taketomi Island is home to Kaiji Beach, famous for its star sand. The sand contains tiny star-shaped shells of microorganisms, making it a fun spot to explore. Welcome to my channel, Geisha Live. It's the heart of Okinawa, Taketomi Island. Yay!
Now little by little, in the twilight's gentle flow, in the dance of fading light we grow. When you wanna be loved by say you're tired, so am I. But without you, I'm lost. I'm lost. Yeah, we can walk on water while the boats are leaking. Soon the walls will be giving in. Anytime now, anytime now. Another shrug of the shoulders.
Exploring the island at a leisurely pace by water buffalo cart is a unique experience on Taketomi Island. Personally, I don't think animals should be used for tourism. I'd love to see these gentle creatures return to nature and live freely. That's just my opinion though. Now, let's take the ferry back to Ishigaki Island from Taketomi Island. You can see 7-Eleven ATMs everywhere in Japan.
You say you're tired, so am I. But without you, I'm lost, so lost.
Now let's talk about Okinawan soul food, Soki Soba. I absolutely love the rich, comforting soup. If you ever visit Okinawa, this is a must-try dish. At the restaurant, I even found an old manual weaving machine, a beautiful piece of craftsmanship that reflects the island's deep traditions. On the way, I spotted a classic Japanese letterbox. These old-style mailboxes are rare nowadays, but you can still find them in the countryside. They always bring a nostalgic feeling. One thing I really miss about Japan is the vending machines. Yeah, sugary drinks are not always ideal, but being able to grab cold water or cold green tea instantly during a hot summer is incredibly convenient. Now I've arrived at the supermarket. Did you know Japan has advanced frozen food technology? The frozen foods here are surprisingly delicious and super helpful for busy families, especially for moms preparing lunchboxes for their kids. Of course, beer is also popular in Japan with a wide variety available. What I love most are the fresh delicatessen foods. They are so tasty and beautifully prepared. If you get the chance, definitely give them a try. This vibrant local market showcases a rich variety of regional products, many of which are rarely found elsewhere in Japan. It's a treasure trove of unique ingredients and flavors, making it an irresistible destination for curious food lovers and cultural explorers alike. Okinawa is very famous for sugarcane. Star fruit and dragon fruit are not commonly seen in other parts of Japan. On this day, I saw a fruit called makuauri in Japanese or Oriental melon in English for the first time in my life. These are bananas produced on Ishigaki Island. Compared to the bananas we usually see, they are smaller and have a round shape. These island bananas are rare because they are produced in small quantities. When you think of Okinawa, one fruit instantly comes to mind: shikwasa. Its refreshing citrus aroma is absolutely irresistible. I personally love it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. Vielen herzlichen Dank, dass ihr euch das Video bis zum Ende angeschaut habt. Wenn euch das Video gefällt, dann bitte liked, abonniert den Kanal und kommentiert bitte unten. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures. See you in the next video. Bye!